Hello everybody, this is Avantik here. Today we'll try to develop a project, end-to-end project which will include your web application side and a deep learning side. What we'll do here, there will be a form in the web application here, web page here. Anybody can upload any image. Maybe you take a photograph of some object. You upload your image. What it will respond it is, when you upload the image, what you will get out of it is, it will tell you what it is. So for example, you take up your pet's photo and upload it over. It might tell you it is a dog or a cat, whatever is it. And it might give you more details, like I have a pug at home. If I upload pug's photo, its photo, it will tell that it's a pug. That's the thing we'll do here. Let's get started. First, we'll list down all the dependencies over here. The first thing is we need Anaconda 3.6 to be installed. With Python version 3.6. Anaconda Python version 3.6. You get all your machine learning libraries here. Next, what we want is, we want Keras to be installed. This is for the deep learning part, which based on the image, it will identify what it is. Keras. Pip install Keras. And please don't forget this line. Always use pip of Anaconda here. Pip install Keras. Then we want Keras to be internally using TensorFlow, so do pip install TensorFlow. So pip is for installing Python packages. You're installing Keras, and the last thing is install Django. Django is web framework based upon Python. So using this, we'll be developing the front end side of it. We'll be using Keras in the back end to actually do the prediction. This is the entire plan here. Let's get started with our app creation. Django admin start project. My web app. This is what we will create a Django project. If you list down it over here, you can see this my web app. We want to really see it running. Then do Python manage py run server. It will actually run the web server. Let's see. So let's first open it out. So it's localhost 8000. That's what is doing it. So you have a default Django application ready now. That's the first stage. So you have your web application ready. We can stop it here. So that we can proceed more, developing more things on top of it. Let's open the project. So I'm using Sublime Text here. So what I can do is open folder. Go to the directory, my web app. This is the application, right? If I open it here, this is all I have. You can see here, you have the settings py. This is the configuration file here. And you have a URL py. It does all the routing and everything. So what is the next thing that we'll do here? We'll create an app inside this web application. It's like a module. And we'll add all our features over there. If you list down here, we'll see it, my image upload directory getting created. Let's see it. What are the things that it brings to the table? You can see here, you have this image upload directory getting created here. Now what we want to do is, we want to show some web page which is different from the default page. To do so, we have to create a template directory, and we'll put all our HTML files over there. New folder, templates. Let's create two things. New file. You have here templates. One is your home.html. Just mention here things. My home. This is my page. Save it over here. So it is present inside your templates. So whenever you create your template directory where you have all these HTML pages, don't forget to mention it in your settings.py. This is the place where you'll do it. Templates. Save it. Fine. So you have it over here. Now you go to the URLs. Here I want to redirect some of the URLs to my this image upload app. So what will you do for that? URL image Okay, include is not yet imported over here. Include, then mention it image img upload dot urls. You want it to redirect to that, and don't forget to put comma over here. Okay, so you have it over here, then you go here, then it is importing this. You don't have a urls.py here. Okay, so make one urls.py, new file, save urls.py. okay, once this is created, you can copy some of the contents from here. Of course, your admin and those things is not required over here. So first thing is, you want, if somebody reaches here, views.home. okay, and this is the function that it will execute from dot import views, right? And you can see here you have this views file here, which is currently holding nothing. Okay, let's now write a function here, def home requests. Okay, then you can do render return render requests. Okay, so let's see what we are doing here. We are importing, what we are doing, we are creating function home, which is the one that will be executed when somebody tries to access this particular URL, home, views.home. You're creating this views.home here, and here you're mentioning home.html. okay, that's pretty much that you're doing here. Okay, so let's see if we have missed out something. Things look fine so far. And if we run the web server here, if you're missing out on something, this guy will tell us. And yes, one thing we missed out in settings, whenever we have added one app, right, what I have to do here is we have to mention it over here. Okay, img okay, and once you do that, okay, so it will tell you that some migrations are missing. It's okay, we haven't added anything to database. Let's see the server now. Okay, we're getting this thing. It needs image upload over here because that's the URL we have created. image upload. Okay, so you can see this page completed. So you have a Django application where you have added one page. The next thing that we'll do in our next video is connecting a form to that where we can upload that image. Okay, so this is the first part of it. Thank you. See you in the next video.